So I know there were several of you who said you didn't quite understand the solving for y as well as you wish you had. So this is for you. We did this inside our literal equations. So if you go back and you watch that video, you have to watch all the literal equations. This is just going to be solving for y. So let's say we have 6x plus 2y equals 20. Okay, so if we want to solve for y, our goal is obviously to get y by itself. Remember, anytime that we are solving an equation, order of operations backwards, so we want to undo any addition or subtraction first. So this 6x is currently held on over here to the y with addition and subtraction, so that 6x has to move first. It's a positive 6x, so we are going to move it by subtracting. Right, and just like always, inverse operations cancel each other out. Now, me having $20 and giving away 6 bananas has nothing to do with how much money I have. I might have less bananas, but I still have $20. So these two values can't be combined. They're not like terms. I'm going to write that x first, and this is a positive 20, right? That was the format that we talked about preferring. Okay, now we're going to finish solving this. We're going to undo multiplication with division. And multiplication and division happen all the way through the problem. So I'm going to divide in all 3 places. Negative 6 divided by 2 is a negative 3. And a 20 divided by 2 is a 10. Okay, so let's look at another one. Negative 5x minus 3y equals 12. So again, if we want to solve for y, we want to undo addition and subtraction first. We are moving this x first. Okay, so a negative 5x we are going to undo with adding. Now be careful, that subtraction stays with a y. So I have negative 3y equals a 5x plus 12. Then I'm going to undo multiplication with division, and division goes all the way through. Here I just have a fraction. I cannot reduce 5 over negative 3. So that's just going to stay as negative 5/3 x. And then a positive 12 divided by a negative 3 gives us a negative 4. Last one. Eight y equals 10x plus 24. Now, just because we're solving for y doesn't mean it has to be the exact same format every time, right? So this one, to get the y by itself, there's only one number over there with it. So we don't have to do anything with this x. It's already moved over. So we're just going to deal with this 8. And we undo multiplication with division. And so we're going to divide by 8 in all 3 places. Okay, so 10 over 8, I'm reducing. It doesn't divide evenly, but I do need to make sure it's reduced. So that's going to be a 5/4 x. 24 divided by 8 is 3. I am solved for y at this point, so there's no other work.